and welcome to Tufts Dining. I'm Patty Kloss, Senior Director. Thanks for joining me as we explore the many options offered here on campus. Let's start with meal plans. All first-year students living on the Medford-Somerville campus will be auto-enrolled in the Tufts Full Plan, which is our best value, and includes Jumbo Cash. Jumbo Cash is linked directly to your Tufts ID. Think of it as a secure debit card, and you can spend it on additional campus purchases like snacks, printing, laundry, and books. It's even accepted at select local restaurants, grocery stores, and on Grubhub. Returning and off-campus students can choose from a flexible menu of meal plans, and all plans can be used with the Tufts Dining app. You should download the app to your mobile device to view menus, place orders, and receive alerts about limited time offers and special events. Time to talk about where you can eat. We have 9 convenient spots on the Medford-Somerville campus, as well as the SMFA Cafe on the Boston Fenway campus. Not sure where to begin? Try our 3 most popular locations. Fresh at Carmichael is our primary uphill dining center, located at the residential quad. Here you'll find local, made-from-scratch, chef-curated dishes that are gluten, peanut, and tree nut free. DeWitt McPhee is our main downhill dining center. It's an all-you-care-to-eat option featuring the allergen-free platform, all 9 free, and the kosher vegan platform, beans, greens, and grains. Hodgson Food on the Run is located next to DeWitt McPhee with a convenient, customizable menu including burritos, bowls, falafel, and shawarma. In addition to our larger dining locations, you'll find 4 cafes and markets with ready-made and made-to-order options. Sandwiches from our Glot Kosher Deli, sushi, and smoothies are just a few of the things you'll find on these menus. And for those with dietary restrictions, we have a full-time nutritionist on staff to assist you. We're proud to offer a broad range of menu options and host cultural events that reflect the diversity of our student body. And as a member of the Tufts community, you'll get to sample cuisine from all over the world right here on campus. On behalf of the entire Tufts Dining team, we're looking forward to welcoming you, to serving great food every day, and to doing our part to bring our campus community together.